Evening, Patriot. Thank you for answering the call at such short notice.
A mission involving killing anyone from the faction? I answer in a heartbeat, sir.
Then let's get started. Approximately 4 hours ago, en route to one of our sub-bases in Chainsmoke, one of our cargo trucks containing our latest shipment of weapons was ambushed. Security footage we salvaged from the wreckage reveals it was all done by the faction.
What kind of weapons did they get their hands on?
Just the usual stuff. Large orders of melee weapons, firearms, armor, and bullets. The faction's attracted to this stuff like flies to corpses.
You want me to take back our stolen shipment?
No, the HIC said that'd be letting them off too easy. They want you to capture their base and kill every single faction member. No survivors, no mercy. But please do keep the base intact as best as possible. Head in charge wants to make a statement to the Foundation for stealing from us. We have provided you with the necessary firepower to take over the faction's base.
Not even my birthday, but you guys got everything I could ever want. Looking forward to using these on the field.
One last thing. Previous reports from our scouts mentioned a death engine protecting the leader stationed in the base. If you disable the death engine and keep its body intact as well, Free Country will throw in a bonus payment for your trouble. First half of the original payment has already been forwarded to your account.
Thank you as always, sir. I'll see if I can gift wrap the meatball machine as well. No.